Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how I use Velcro rollers. My hair is clean right now. You can also use them when your hair is dirty with a little dry shampoo. It'll even work better actually. Basically what I do is I usually focus on like this part of my hair and trying to get all of this in Velcro rollers. This is gonna make the biggest difference. And I start in the back, grab a section, okay? Hold it up. And what you're gonna wanna do next is you're gonna wanna use a blow dryer and apply heat on it. The whole point of using this Velcro roller is you want your hair to cool while it's on here. I'm just gonna use a round brush. While your hair is still hot, I'm gonna start at the root and then pull it out until the hair is, I don't know, around the roller. And then roll it in and make sure it's secure. And then we're gonna go section by section. You wanna make sure that the sections aren't too big for the rollers. So like you can see right here, that section was actually maybe a little too big. It's gonna kind of fall a little bit. I don't really have like a way I do this. I just kind of make it up as far as the section. Usually when I get towards my face, sometimes I'll use like the smaller ones. I always use the bigger ones in the back. And then depending on like how my hair is behaving, I'll either round brush these like this towards my face or away from my face. I think today I'm gonna do away from my face. Really just wanna get that heat on the root. That is where you're gonna want to make sure that it cools. So then I'll just leave my hair like this while I'm putting on my makeup or something. But even if you just leave it for a minute, it makes a difference. But I always spray something on my hair while I have these in it. Today I'm gonna use this Volume and Powder by Kerastase. Sometimes if I have extra time, I'll go and like do these sections, but I'm just trying to show you how today. See? And then after I use the Velcro roller, sometimes I'll use Powder Play by Big Sexy Hair. And I'll kind of like put it like that, and then, whoa, that was a lot. Kind of feels like sandpaper, but I love that. There you go.